Hello friends, welcome to our channel C Square Infotech. So today we'll be unboxing Logitech MK240 Nano wireless combo keyboard. So first of all, let me show what we all have in the box. So here you can see we have one keyboard, one mouse, one nano receiver, and two sets of AAA battery. So let me first unbox it for you, and let me show what we all have in the box. So when you open it, you can see the transmitter here. So I'll just pull it out. Now there's a small beautifully designed mouse. It's yellow in color. So here's the mouse. Now we have two sets of AAA battery. On the other side we have our keyboard. So we'll just open it. So here's our keyboard. That's all we have in the box. So before opening it, I'll just let you know about the price. Currently it's priced around 1300 to 1400, and it has a 3 years in Logitech warranty. So I'll just open it for you. There's a leaflet here. You can read about it. It's in English and some other language. And here we have the keyboard stand. We'll just open it and we'll place the battery here. So I've just placed the battery. I'll take the mouse and similarly I'll just place the battery here. So here's my mouse and keyboard, and you can just plug in the nano transmitter and your keyboard and mouse is ready to use. So thank you for watching the channel. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.